This tutorial provides an overview of the approach taken by the court in determining the existence of an intention to create legal relations, where the intention of the contracting parties is unclear. A contract will only be enforceable if the contracting parties intended to be legally bound. When determining the intention of contracting parties, the court will have regard to all the circumstances in the case, including the words used by the parties, the conduct of the parties, and the relationship of the parties. The approach of the court is objective, and it will not be concerned with the state of mind of each party. Domestic agreements. When determining the intention of contracting parties, the approach of the court differs between commercial and domestic agreements. As the court held in Balfour, there is a presumption that domestic agreements are not intended to be legally binding. The presumption is, however, rebuttable. As between a husband and wife, for example, any agreement is presumed to be unenforceable unless there is an agreement between the parties to the contrary. In merit and merit, for example, a husband who separated from his wife and agreed in writing to transfer the matrimonial home into her name if she repaid the mortgage, was held to be bound by the agreement once the mortgage had been paid. The burden is on the party alleging the agreement to be enforceable to rebut the presumption, save that the presumption will not apply where the parties are estranged and no longer living together at the time the agreement is entered into.